Piaget's theory can be applied to the scenario of a teacher using the popular toy Legos for each of the three stages. In the sensory motor stage, the teacher can use Legos to build simple geometric shapes, such as a triangle, a square, or a diamond. Once the teacher has the shape built, they can show it to the child and ask them what type of shape it is. This task allows the child to be able to learn how to associate the names of different shapes to its corresponding object. In the pre-operational stage, the teacher can give the student a hypothetical but realistic scenario that requires the construction of an object from the Legos. This will allow the student to tap into their creative world, but also, in the same breath, allow them to construct their object so that it is practical and functional to the scenario presented. When the student has finished, the teacher can ask why the child built the particular object that way and how will it benefit the scenario. This will allow the teacher to gauge the student's understanding of how they realistically associate objects beyond symbolic thought. Lastly, in the concrete operational stage, the teacher can give the student a two-dimensional paper copy of a shape or figure. The teacher will then tell the students to build the two-dimensional shape using the Legos. If the student is unable to replicate the 2D shape into a Lego copy, or they create a completely different figure, this demonstrates that they have not yet mastered how to transfer abstract thought into something that is coherent, logical, and tangible. Although the teacher can mediate this challenge by creating levels, the manipulative property of the Legos makes this task manageable. The beginning level can be a simple figure, such as a square. The student can then progressively work their way up to trying to build more complex figures, like a building.